Kung wala mang maiwan dahil tatanggalin nila lahat, I already said that I will seek security arrangements outside of the armed forces of the Philippines. So,
Collegian.
Sumulat po ba kayo out in security na papalitan? Meron na po bang update dito? Tsaka sumulat po ba kayo sa AFP regarding this?
Yes, wala pang update doon sa pull-out and replacement. Nag-aantay kami sa Armed Forces of the Philippines kung kailan nila gagawin yon. Yes, nagpadala ako ng letter sa Chief of Staff ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Meron lang ako mga nilatag doon na mga requests. Pinakauna doon is hindi na kami tatanggap, hindi na ako tatanggap ng replacements. So kung magtanggal sila, hindi na nila i-replace. Iwan na lang nila kung ano yung maiwan. And kung wala mang maiwan dahil tatanggalin nila lahat, I already said that I will seek security arrangements outside of the armed forces of the Philippines already. Yes, we are exploring private security services. Yes.
Won't you be accused of, creating
My
a
husband,
private army?
Huh?
Won't that be construed as a private?
No, because there are professional security services. So that's not considered as a private army. And I do not know if these individuals are allowed to bring guns. So that makes them less of an army, ma'am, kung wala silang. But hindi ko alam yung sa professional security services. But that is one option that we are preparing for in case there is a pull out of the entire security detail from the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Initially, I asked my husband, and then he said that he'll make arrangements.
Out of pocket, huh? How much are you estimating for that?